opened this morning and it seems like we're headed in for a quiet start, at least going by the GIFT Nifty moves. And 24,343 is where we're currently at. So a very mild start is what you're seeing on the Nifty. Mildly soft for the Nifty Bank as well, because you are seeing that print of 57,320 thereabouts on Nifty Bank as we speak right now. Let's see what the sectoral flavor as well is for the indexes. Where is it that you're seeing the strength and the weakness come in? Consumer durables, defense, pharma, healthcare are in the green, whereas PSU banks, oil and gas, FMCG and banks along with IT is where you're seeing some shades of red. But again, you know, the biggest mover or the biggest laggard, they're less than 1% off a move. So again, a very sedate start is what you're seeing. Let's start off with Reliance Industries then after their defense foray. What is it that stock is up to? It was a good day for Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports on Friday. Let's see whether that trade is continuing at all or not. We'll just come up for you on your screens next. Trent, let's see what that stock is then up to. And what it's currently doing, how the street is absorbing the analyst day takeaway is absolutely flat in trend as we speak. Ashok Leyland came out with its numbers. Let's check in on that stock and where it's currently headed. So the big mover is going to be perhaps Voltas. Well, it was a mixed quarter for Voltas with revenue and EBITDA missing the street expectations. The management does foresee the project business to see sequential improvement in Q3 and Q4. A mild move on Voltas is what one is seeing right now. Strong quarter for Puravankara. Let's check in on that stock. They've turned profitable versus a 69 crore rupee loss that they clocked in the financial year, 9% higher for Puravankara, and this has got to be the star performer today. What about Schneider? The numbers have been extremely disappointing. Let's check in on that stock. The profits have halved on a year-on-year basis, 9% loss coming in on Schneider at a time when you've got Puravankara sitting on a gain of 9%. Uflex, Max Estate, Satvik Green Energy, Rubicon Research, there is Physicswala, Cochin Shipyard. They've all come out with their numbers. So let's check in on those. And I think Cochin Shipyard perhaps could be a more exaggerated move because you are seeing the profits come in lower by nearly 19.5%. Cochin Shipyard, though, 1% lower as we speak right now. Embassy REITs has had a sizable block deal. 5.6% equity has changed hands. Look out for what that stock as well is going to be doing, as also an earnings reaction on a PTC Industries. That also is in focus. There's Sri Lotus Developments, which is one in order for a residential redevelopment in Dadar, the GDV at 550 crore rupees. Ola Electric is now foraying into energy storage market. There's UPL, wherein its step-down arm, Advanta, is looking to acquire one of the Egyptian companies. There's CMEC as well, some consortium agreements coming in their way. For NIBE as well, an order win. For Dr. Reddy's, the US FDA has concluded the investigation at their Hyderabad plant with 4 Form 483 observations. So DRL lower by about 1% as we speak. And Newland Labs as well, wherein they too have had a US FDA conclusion of an investigation of the Unit 3 facility in Telangana with 1 Form 483 observation. Newland Labs as well, mildly tempered as we speak, as is the case with Nifty. And Kunal, I guess this range-bound move is not going to get away in any hurry.
Yeah, it doesn't look like, because right now I think we are back again to that grind for the index. We are back again skirting around the 24,300 mark. It's just that I think there are a few large cap names which are making slight bit of a comeback for themselves. You're seeing the defense pack, for example, HUL, BEL. These stocks have started to show some signs of recovery. Eternals start to show signs of good recovery. Hindalco, I think, started off on the positive side. So maybe I think we could be at a point where those individual stock-specific moves is what could govern the market mood in the very near term. In terms of individual trade, I would look at Bharat Dynamics, stock which I highlighted last week also, showed very good recovery for itself in the last, I think, a couple of weeks. And then broadly, when you look at this as a risk reward, I think at 1300, 1350 mark, BDL is something which looks attractive at the current juncture.
Okay. I want to quickly have your view, Kunal, with regard to a Galaxy Surfactants. Stock has made another very strong move today. And this is on the back of the kind of move it made on Friday as well. What next on this one?
Yeah, a strong move starting off for the stock price, because it started off at that 2470-75 mark. It's moved on to that 2600 levels. But then the volumes which happened on Friday for the stock price was on the back of a huge gap which was seen for the stock. Today's price action so far in the first, I think, couple of minutes indicates that maybe I think there could be a slight bit of profit booking which could start off at higher levels. So I would sense that at 2550, 600 levels, the stock could see some bit of more profit booking, and could be a good opportunity when the stock goes into a decent correction. When it tries to fill in the gap which has been created on Friday, that could be a good opportunity to go for a contra-buy.
Okay.